Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Deploy Auto is probably one of the most innovative pocket knives I've come across. Its sleek design and rapid deployment mechanism make it a standout choice for everyday carry. In this video, we'll dive deep into its features, from the blade's sharpness and durability to the handle's ergonomics and overall build quality. We'll explore what makes this knife a reliable tool for various tasks, and whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Buck Knives 119 Special Hunting Knife. This is the Buck Knives 119 Special. It features a full tang design for superior durability. The knife is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The 6-inch clip point blade is made from 420HC stainless steel. It has undergone a rigorous heat treatment process. This ensures excellent strength and edge retention. First introduced in 1942, this knife carries forward a timeless fixed blade styling. The full tang construction and finger guard ensure dependable performance. The black phenolic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. The aluminum guard and pommel add balance and a classic look to this outdoor knife. It includes a genuine leather sheath with a belt loop. Measuring 10.5 inches overall and weighing 7.5 ounces, it's ideal for outdoor activities. Buck Knives offers a lifetime warranty on this knife. This classic hunting knife is proudly handcrafted in the USA, ensuring quality and integrity. What we like. This knife boasts a classic design and full tang construction, ensuring dependability. The comfortable grip makes it a joy to use. If you are looking for a reliable, traditional hunting knife, this is the one for you. What people say. This one is the perfect balance of size and functionality. Buck Knives hold their edge really good. Nice knife. Super sharp. Number 4. Buck Knives 341 Vantage Avid Folding Knife. This knife features a 2 to 5/8 inch drop point 420HC steel blade. It delivers excellent strength, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. The full-bellied blade offers remarkable cutting ability. The thumb hole on the blade allows for smooth one-handed opening. It locks open securely with a stainless steel liner lock. 2 stainless steel liners add extra durability and safety. The ergonomic grip is made from injection-molded nylon with a CNC rosewood inlay. This provides a comfortable and secure grip while you work. It includes a removable, reversible, deep pocket tip-up carry clip. This makes it easy to carry in your pocket, on your belt, or in your bag. The Vantage series offers different sizes, handle choices, and steel options, making it ideal for everyday use. Since 1902, Buck Knives has offered a lifetime warranty on their knives. This is because they believe in the integrity of their products. This knife is proudly made in the USA. The knife has a 2 to 5/8 inch drop point blade made of 420HC steel. The handle is made of molded nylon with CNC contoured rosewood diamondwood inlay. What we like. This knife offers a compact design with a razor-sharp blade for everyday tasks. Its one-hand opening mechanism adds convenience. If you are looking for a reliable, easy-to-carry knife for daily use, this is a great choice. What people say. The knife is well built and feels solid in the hand. The auto action is smooth and quick. The blade came very sharp. Number 3. Buck Knives 346 Vantage Select Folding Pocket Knife. This knife features a 3 to 1/4 inch drop point 420HC steel blade. It offers excellent strength, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. The full-bellied blade provides remarkable cutting ability. Opening this knife is easy with the thumb hole on the blade. It locks open securely using a stainless steel liner lock. The design includes 2 stainless steel liners for added durability and safety. The ergonomic grip is made from injection-molded nylon with a CNC rosewood inlay. This provides a comfortable and secure grip while you work. You'll feel confident using it. It includes a removable, reversible, deep pocket tip-up carry clip. This makes it easy to carry in your pocket, on your belt, or in your bag. It's an ideal knife for everyday use. Buck Knives has offered a lifetime warranty on their knives since 1902. They believe in the integrity of their products. This knife is proudly made in the USA. The knife has a 3-to-1/4-inch drop point blade made of 420HC steel. The handle is made of molded nylon with CNC contoured rosewood diamondwood inlay. What we like. This knife features a razor-sharp blade and a secure grip for confident handling. The one-hand opening mechanism adds convenience. If you like a slightly larger blade for more demanding tasks, this knife is perfect for you. What people say. Overall, I chose the 5 stars because it's visually appealing, has a great pocket clip design that really hides the knife, is made in the beautiful US, has a great warranty, and is made of the famous Buck 420HC that should handle all my light-duty needs just fine. Blade is hair shaving sharp right out of the box. Blade has held up great from cutting open boxes, to cutting airline hoses, and all the other daily chores I use it for. Number 2. Buck Knives 840 Sprint Select Folding Pocket Knife. This knife features a 3-to-1/8-inch 420HC stainless steel drop point blade. It has excellent strength, edge retention, and is corrosion resistant. The blade is designed for heavier tasks. The knife is easy to open with ball bearing flipper technology. The liner lock ensures the blade stays open, providing reliable strength and safety. It weighs 3.2 ounces and is 4 to 3/8 inches when closed. It comes with a heat-treated stainless steel deep carry pocket clip. This allows you to keep the knife within easy reach while riding discreetly in your pocket. The clip is also removable. Buck Knives is known for its high-quality, American-made edged tools. With over 110 years of experience, they continue to be an innovator in the cutlery industry. Buck Knives offers a lifetime warranty on their knives, demonstrating their belief in the product's integrity. This particular knife is proudly made in the USA since 1902. What we like. This knife features easy opening with ball-bearing flipper technology. The liner lock ensures safety and reliability. If you are looking for a smooth, easy-to-open, and secure pocket knife, you should consider this one. What people say. The knife is very well made. The action is smooth and the blade is centered. The handle is comfortable and provides a good grip. Number 1. Buck Knives 853 Small Selkirk Fixed Blade Knife. This is the Buck Knives 853 Small Selkirk. It's a reliable fixed blade knife designed for survival and general use. The knife is built to last and ready for any adventure. The 4-inch drop point blade is made from 420HC stainless steel. This provides excellent strength, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. It's a blade you can depend on. The CNC contoured micarta handle with stainless steel bolster ensures a safe and secure grip. You'll feel confident and in control while using it. The 853 Small Selkirk is lightweight and versatile, making it a great survival tool. It's also suitable for everyday tasks. It includes an injection molded nylon sheath with a removable and reversible belt loop. This makes it easy and convenient to carry. Buck Knives offers a lifetime warranty on their knives. They stand behind the integrity of their products. What we like. This knife features a durable blade and a secure grip for confident handling. It is a versatile tool suitable for various outdoor situations. If you are looking for a reliable survival tool or a general-purpose knife, this is a great option. What people say. The knife is well built and feels solid in hand. The auto action is smooth and quick. The blade came very sharp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.